In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the DeepSeek AI app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, force close the app, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Next, go to the App Store and check if there's an update for DeepSeek. Outdated versions can cause crashes. If the issue continues, offload or reinstall the app. Go to Settings, iPhone Storage, find DeepSeek, then offload or delete and reinstall it. You should also check for an iOS update. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and install the latest version if available. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and disable any VPN you're using. If the app opens but isn't working properly, log out, then log back in to refresh your account. And if you're still seeing errors like server busy or region issues, it's likely on DeepSeek's side, so you may need to wait or use the web version instead. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.